Thank you for watching, liking, commenting, sharing, and subscribing right now.
I can see a sliver of your back.
You can?
Yep. I saw your elbow. I saw your back. I saw your arm. Saw your foot. What's that?
Are you done? Ah!
For the past few nights, Diana and I have been staying up late to watch Doctor Who episodes that we have not yet seen. Almost finished with Season 1, but I faded out in the middle of one of the episodes last night, so I'm going to have catch up on that before moving on to the next one. And that's why I'm editing the vlog in the morning rather than at night, when I would normally edit the vlog. This is becoming the new normal. Did you see the video that Ben just uploaded to his YouTube channel?
No, not yet.
Yeah, he created a table and then placed Lego plates on top of it, so it turned it into a Lego table. We should do that to our one that we can convert. It's come time for us to register for BrickCon 2013. Ah, I'm glad I just flushed the toilet. What do you want on your special engraved bricks? Because you have 2 custom brick engravings on for the registration thing.
My name?
You already have your name.
That's it.
It's up to you. I look like a gumdrop again. Diana suggested we bring the incomplete set with us so that we can assemble it in public. I have no problem with that. If she has no problem with that.
I need like a full-length mirror for my room so I could do OOTDs in there.
Move the full-length mirror from the bedroom in there.
Because it's brown.
Well, you have a brown vanity in there.
I know, but it's gonna move. And I like this one here. We just need another one.
You want to join your sister in the fun box? Let's go to the fun box. Come on. He doesn't need to go into the fun box, though.
And if he has an accident, then we'll know who's guilty.
Yeah! This is a great way of troubleshooting. No, you're fine, Wiki. Everything's okay. Don't worry, you don't need to go to the fun box.
Here, you want your fake toy?
But it is fun. No, it's a real toy.
I mean, fake bone.
Yeah.
Faux bone. They're not much on toys. Look, we get fun.
No, I think he's really upset at us now.
Aww.
No. No. Are everybody's parents this annoying?
It's like, I'm not a cat. I got Wicket in the perfect position.
Are you selfieing yourself or me?
How should I put my arm?
I don't know. Well, I guess you wouldn't be selfieing me because I would have to self myself.
Yes, you would.
Are you ussing ussies? Because it's you and me? And Wicket?
Wicket photobombed yesterday's outfit of the day.
Okay, my arm's getting tired. I'm holding on to the tray of Lego bricks.
I can't see him. I'm blocking him.
Baby, are you getting me in there too, or can I?
I got you.
I'm wearing the Versace cologne that Diana got me.
Versace. That's what Kanye West calls it.
That's its name.
Did you see Baby Northwest?
No.
The first photo was revealed today.
No.
What about the royal baby?
No.
Who's the cutest?
No.
Do you like Lego?
Yes.
Do you like trees?
No.
Why?
Yes.
Okay.
Someone tweeted us today and told us that there was a Star Trek convention happening in town, and we had no idea until someone tweeted us today.
Let's go.
I'm glad I wore a Batman hoodie and not a Star Wars hoodie. Otherwise, I could probably not be admitted.
Yeah.
How much are the tickets?
I don't know. It says you can buy them at the gate.
Well, I feel bad because we should have known that this was happening.
Yeah. How do we not know these things?
Because I'm not really a Trekker. I like Star Trek. I do. I enjoy it. I've never been to a Star Trek convention, though. This would be my first time. I've never even been to a Star Wars convention.
I could have worn, like, my ears and...
You have ears? Like special ears?
No, but... I have some ears.
Someone sent me a light and voice Darth Vader ornament.
Christmas is just around the corner.
Yes, it is. And Star Wars is always here.
Ooh, I wonder if we can get, like, a Darth Vader Christmas tree.
What? Diana thinks she's getting cheated because her birthday falls in January and it's not long after Christmas. So people tend to say, oh, you got Christmas presents, so you're good.
2 weeks. I want to know if anybody else has to go through that. Because I know there's people born on Christmas and they definitely get nothing, I think.
Well, no, they get something.
I mean, they get Christmas and birthday.
Right, so they get double the amount.
You think?
I'm sure. Summer birthdays are no picnic either. Especially if you have to go on a picnic for your birthday because it's the summer. And then at school, they lump you all together on the same day to celebrate your birthdays because you're in the summer months during summer vacation.
Oh, I never thought about that.
It sucked. Getting lumped in with the August people. You sure you want to do this? Should I put my hood up?
Yeah. People are staring at me. I like how you get into the character.
I can't see anybody.
Did you hear something back there?
It's not funny. The baristas were asking me what I thought about the choice for Ben Affleck as Batman because they saw my hoodie. And I said, well, I think they should choose Matt Damon as Robin. I've completed 2 of the vehicles in this set. Okay, well, I guess I fixed the vehicle that you created.
Trying to take all the credit. Are you going to tell him what we've been arguing about?
Yes. Diana and I have been at odds with one another for the past 10 minutes. Actually, I think Diana's the odd here.
And they're not going to believe what we're at odds at.
No, I'm not at odds. I think you're not seeing, you're seeing things with a very critical eye because it's you.
No, it's my hand. And you've done this to me many, many times.
Instagram filters.
The little flower that looks like a sun, he always uses it on me.
No, I don't always use it on you. It's just, it increases the contrast.
And I remember when we went to New York, there was a picture I loved, and I was like, God, why do I look so, like, plasticky and, like, almost like a mannequin type? It just looked weird and awful, and I couldn't use it, because you used that filter on it.
Oh, man. But it brings out so many more details in the picture.
But my face looked like it had mud on it. Like, mud. Like, not makeup, but mud.
Don't women use mud as makeup sometimes?
No, and that's to exfoliate.
Oh, so just pretend you're exfoliating.
Baby. It's not meant to be on humans. I don't think we're supposed to use it on humans.
I don't think there's a rule for Instagram filters.
I think it's meant to be used on objects and like sceneries and things like that, but not human beings. I'll show you the difference.
I know the difference, hon. I can see.
I look awful.
You do not. Honey, I would never take a picture.
With that filter, with the little circle that looks like a sun. I'm very passionate about this.
Extremely, because it's now been going on a half hour.
Yeah, but it's just, it doesn't look human. I want it to look more human-like.
Yeah, but they're pictures, hon. They're just creative expressions of reality.
Yeah.
While you were in the restroom, a little boy walked by with his dad and said, I know what he's got, Daddy.
Really?
And the dad went, what? And he says, he's got a Lego Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle. And the kid couldn't be more than 4 or 5 years old. He was holding on to a stuffed frog. And he walked over and was kind of curious, and the dad was asking a few questions, and he was a little shy, the kid, not the dad so much. And as they were walking away, the little boy asked, can I have that for my birthday this year? And the dad goes, thank you. And I said, yeah, sorry about that. Gonna make his son a lifelong addict of Lego bricks.
That's where it starts.
Some random stranger. I said, yeah, I was building the set with my wife. She wasn't around. So I know the dad was probably thinking, yeah, right, wife.
Yeah.
What the hell are you supposed to do at a Star Trek convention anyway?
I don't know.
I don't even have a bat lift.
I don't know. I'll put on my red lipstick. I don't know if that helped. Star Wars. I mean, whoops.
Don't say that on the inside.
Proceed on the current freeway.
Now we have to find registration. No, Dave Prowse.
Who's that?
The guy who was inside Darth Vader. It could not actually be signed by Darth Vader because he's not real.
He is real.
I got recognized.
I know.
Someone remembered me. I was never on a Star Trek show. Yes, I should be. I don't think it's ever going to happen. I want to be in a Star Wars something. And I am willing to say that here at a Star Trek convention. Ran into LeVar Burton briefly. I gave him tech support a few years back, and he doesn't remember. There are a lot of characters walking around and sitting around. It's pretty exciting.
He's looking at me.
No!
We have a table over there.
He talked to me.
It's pretty cool.
He's like, I like that camera, and then I was like, here, you can have it. It's all yours. Where are we going next?
Home.
Oh, we are?
Yeah. I also spied the actors who played Nog and Rom in Deep Space Nine. Again, one of my favorite Star Trek series ever. Although I am disappointed that we're not going to be coming back tomorrow because Nana Visitor is going to be speaking. Nog walked right past me.
He did?
Mm-hmm.
Did you touch him?
No.
Oh.
You don't want to touch a Ferengi.
Oh.
Or someone who played a Ferengi. How many coins do you count on the table?
13.
Reuben, I've been thinking what a world it would be if the Reuben that I knew was locked behind an iron key. Did you get salad or steak?
I got both.
At the same time?
Yeah.
Wow. What will they think of next? We needed to get cookie dough. Diana said she'd be back here somewhere. Chase thinks I need to get a duster. Well, I am the duster. You wonder how I get so much cool stuff for Pirillo picks or star scores? I earn free Amazon gift cards thanks to one of our sponsors, go.tagjag.com/free points. Use it on iOS or Android in the US, UK, or potentially even any other country right now. It is now time to begin our evening ritual of eating, drinking, and watching Doctor Who. Are you ready to watch the last episode in season 1? Mm-hmm. I'm going to miss this doctor.
Me too.
I really liked him. Thanks for commenting, liking, and sharing all our videos.